Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden, the little corner where we grow beauty one leaf, one flower at a time. If you love roses as much as I do, stay with me today, because with just one onion, you can grow a whole garden of red roses in only 3 simple steps. And before we begin, if you enjoy natural gardening tips, feel free to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you. Step 1. Prepare the rose cutting. Choose a healthy rose branch about 15 centimeters long. Gently remove all the leaves so the plant can focus on growing roots. Now, take a clove of garlic. Peel it, make a small hole, and insert the rose cutting. Garlic is nature's own protector. It keeps away bacteria and mold, helping your rose avoid root rot in the early days. Step 2. Make the natural rooting mixture. Prepare 1 onion and chop it into small pieces. Onion contains sulfur and special enzymes that encourage root growth. Next, cut a piece of fresh aloe vera. Peel away the skin, take the gel, and chop it finely. Aloe vera moisturizes, nourishes, and protects young shoots. Mix the chopped onion and aloe vera together. Then, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to 100 milliliters of clean water. Coffee is rich in nutrients and acts like a gentle growth booster. Stir well and soak the garlic-tipped rose cutting in this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. Planting the cutting. While waiting, prepare a cup of clean, dry sand. Sand drains water well, keeps the roots ventilated, and creates a soft, welcoming space for them to grow. After soaking, filter the mixture and pour the clear liquid over the sand. This adds gentle moisture for the young cutting. Insert half of the rose cutting into the middle of the sand cup. Cover it with a clear plastic bag to keep warmth and humidity inside. Seal the edges with tape so the moisture stays in. Now, we wait. 5 days later, you'll notice the plastic cover misted with tiny drops, like morning dew on a quiet day. Inside, the magic happens. Small white roots reaching deep, and fresh green shoots beginning a new life. And that's it, my friends. From one onion, one clove of garlic, and a little care, you now have the start of a beautiful rose garden. Thank you for joining me today. May your days be filled with flowers and your garden always be in bloom. See you in the next video. Goodbye, my dear friends.